Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Um, I'm Dr. Muhammad Wasim, and in this video, we will learn how to find whether a journal is indexed with Scopus or Web of Science or it is an HEC recognized journal like Higher Education Commission of Pakistan recognized journal. Even if you are an international viewer, still the website of HEC can help you to find whether this journal is indexed or not. So let's say I will show you some examples whether some of the journals are indexed or not. So let's say if I go to uh, um, any journal, let's say I go to MDPI hydrology. So you just have to go to the website of that particular journal, and then you can go to Scopus website, and at the same time you just have to write HEC recognized journals. So you can open this site also, and on this first link, wait a second. Sorry. So when you will open this website, it will look something like this. So you can just click on journal search. So let's say this was my journal which I would like to check. So first you have to find the ISSN number of that particular journal which you want to check. So you have to go to the Scopus website. It will look like this, and you have to click on looking for free journal ranking and metrics. Just go there, and here you have to select ISSN because you would like to check the journal with ISSN. Then you have to paste it here, the ISSN number, and find sources. When you will find sources, then you have to click it here. Then it will take you to the matrix of that particular journal which you would like to check. Here you can see its site score is 4.1 and it is indexed from 2014 to present. You will find some journals which were indexed on Scopus but currently they are not, so you have to always check that Scopus coverage years, right? And then you can see the site score, so it is a legit journal, and if you are interested to submit to some journal, Scopus index journal, so this is how you can check. Now the other thing, how HEC website work. So you can go to this address, HEC journal recognition system. You have to click on here ISSN, just paste the ISSN number which you would like to check. So here, in case of HEC website, it has three categories: Y, X, and W category. So Y is the lowest, X is in the middle, and W is the highest category. So normally in Y category, the journal is either indexed in Scopus or in Web of Science. In X category, normally the journal is indexed in both Scopus and Web of Science, and in W category, it is indexed in both Web of Science and Scopus and also has an impact factor, but it may vary for some particular journals. But this is an average criteria. So this is how you check the indexing of a journal. So whenever you submit a research article to any journal, you need to check that it should be indexed in Scopus and also in the Web of Science. This is or at least one of them, because these are the two main regulators. So it has to be indexed there. So now you can go to master journal list, Web of Science. So you can paste there. So this is another journal which I have checked already. So it is indexed in environmental emerging source citation indexed. So let's say if I am interested in checking the same journal which we are checking. So I will paste it here and try to click on the search. So it is also indexed on emerging sources citation index. So you always have to find the ISSN number, paste it in the master journal list to check whether it is indexed in Web of Science or indexed in Scopus. And also the easiest way is to go to the HJRS website and you can just simply check it there. So in the HJRS website you have a lot of good things available. So you can click on discipline wise search, you can click on Y category journals, X category journals, W category journals, and you can like select all the fields available. So it will show you let's say if I say I need some journals from food science and only in Y category, so you just click on export and then it will be downloaded, or you can just click on refresh and now it is all the food science journals with Y category, and it is like hundreds of journals available, and these journals are legit and are indexed either on Web of Science or on Scopus. Let's say I click on food and food waste. So it is an X category journal and it's indexed on Scopus and Web of Science. So sometimes it shows here the Y category, but they are updated with respect to time. So food science and technology, this is a Y category journal. So as I told you, normally they are either indexed on at least one of the criteria, either on Scopus or Web of Science, but this journal is indexed on both. So it's a very good journal. Like here you can select all the journals discipline wise if you are from water resources, engineering, or whatever field. So it will be really helpful for you. So try to go through all these website and check for possible journals where you would like to submit your work, so that you do not go in the hands of some predator journal which are not indexed, and then you will regret your decisions. Hopefully you will like the content. Thanks a lot.